Dear students, let's focus our attention on this particular problem from oscillation or simple harmonic motion. Okay, the problem is the ratio of average velocity and maximum velocity of a particle performing SHM is, and the given four options are A pi, B pi by 2, C 2 pi, D 2 upon pi. Okay, now you pause this video and try to solve first. Okay, and then look at the solution. Okay, now in SHM, when a particle oscillates about the mean position between the two extreme positions, we can draw its figure like this. Let the path of a particle in SHM is from A to B and O is the mean position. Okay, so this distance will be amplitude and this distance will be again amplitude. Let the particle starts from point A and it goes to point B and then returns to point A again. When the particle goes from A to B, its half oscillation is completed and the distance covered will be twice A. When the particle returns back from B to A, again the distance will be 2A. So the total distance covered by the particle in one oscillation will be 2A plus 2A. It means it will be 4A, and the time taken by the particle to complete complete this oscillation, one oscillation, it will be its time period, that is T. Okay, so total distance is 4A and the total time required by the particle to complete one oscillation is T. So average velocity, okay, average velocity will be total distance divided by total time, means it will be 4A upon T. So this is our first value. We got the value of average velocity. Okay, I hope you understand all these concepts. It is very easy. Now we know that omega, angular velocity or angular frequency, is related with time period by 2 pi upon T. Okay, omega is equal to 2 pi over T. Therefore, we can take T is equal to 2 pi over omega. Now, let's put this value here. If we put this value here, we get V average will be equal to 4A upon T, and the value of T is 2 pi upon omega. Okay. Now, solving this particular value, we get V average will be equal to 2 gets cancelled by 2 2s are 4, and this omega will jumps to numerator. So it will become 2 times A into omega upon pi. Okay, this is the value of average velocity. Now in oscillation you already had studied the maximum velocity. The maximum velocity of the particle while crossing the mean position. Okay, when the particle crosses the mean position, its maximum velocity is given by V max is equal to omega into A. So we have to take the ratio of V average and V maximum, because in our question it was asked what is the ratio of average velocity and maximum velocity. So it will be V average divided by V max, and the values, if you put these values here, you get 2A omega over pi divided by omega into A. Okay, so omega A gets cancelled and the ratio obtained will be 2 upon pi. So this is our answer. Means in the given problem, the option D is correct. The ratio of V average and V max means average velocity and maximum velocity of a particle during SHM, during oscillations, it is always 2/5. Okay. I hope you all understand this problem very well. Thanks.